Today I'm unboxing a lot of dolls sent to me by an internet friend who I've never actually met in person. But look at this. She can't repair dolls anymore because she's got some health problems. But look at these beautiful dolls. This is a Madame Alexander. Look at those eyes. This is F&B. Lady Baby. It's really, really heavy. There's just an unmarked body. This is an American character doll. Just in beautiful condition. You know, you meet some trolls on the internet, but then you also meet these people who are just incredible. Like, so nice. This one I'm going to have to unwrap to find out who it is. A lot of cracking. A lot of creasing in the composition. Looks like a Berry Baby face, so it could be by Universal. But that looks like all of them, but gosh, what a great lot.